Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm super grateful that you're joining me for another Plan With Me video today. Yes, in this video, I'm super excited about it. I will be planning for the week of March 22nd through March 28th. So if you want to see what I do, definitely stay tuned. Okay, so jumping right in, here are all the sticker books that I pulled to use in this spread. And I have Color Story 3, the colorful boxes, and the Flower Power Mega sticker pack. And I also have some other like functional things that I could pull some boxes from too. So getting started, I'm going to lay down some of my more functional boxes. And you guys, the theme that I'm kind of going for with this spread, I will be visiting Miami this week, and I wanted to bring in some Miami vibes. Also, it's my niece's birthday, and she wanted me to bring awareness to endometriosis month, which is the month of March. And that's why I pulled those like sunflower type stickers, because it'll represent that. And also, Florida is the sunshine state, so I'm gonna try to make this very tropical. I pulled these stickers. I saw these palm trees in that color story book, but I wanted to bring some color to it, to this color palette, so I thought that the yellow would really pop with it. So that's what I got so far, so hopefully this thing turns out great. All right, so here you see me. I do this from time to time, you guys. I play around with my wax paper. I will go ahead and pull the stickers, and then I'll move them around so I can kind of have me a free space to see how I want to lay the spread out. And I went ahead and put down these bigger functional boxes with the point on them from my functional sticker book. Just because I knew I needed some bigger boxes on the spread just to kind of anchor it a little bit. And then I went in with these circles that I pulled. I believe these are from, no, actually these might be from the Rainbow Mega Pack. I didn't show that, but I think that's where I pulled these from. And then of course I got some colorful boxes. So my idea is, in my research for Miami, I know that they have like a lot of different like art districts, design districts type areas. I've never explored Miami, but it just came to mind. So I wanted to kind of do like some abstract type like layering with my functional boxes in this spread, just to kind of bring that vibe to my spread. I don't know, I'm trying to bring as much Miami to this as I can while mixing in some of those florals and some birthday type celebration stuff too. So that's what you see me doing here. Of course, I try to balance them on either side of the page, but give it a little bit of a different feel. So to me, this looks a little bit abstract, and I'm gonna move this one over because it's just to give it, so it won't have that mirror effect, but it'll still kind of look like it goes. So yeah, I'm pretty like happy with how I laid these out. Now I did do them straight across, you guys, like almost like 4 points. I do add an additional colorful box here, so that adds a different feel. And I have like that middle space. I don't know exactly. I just laid it out, so I didn't plan to do that, but it just kind of happened. And I mean, I like it. I think it looks good. So I white out those boxes that I actually pulled from Handwritten Plans, colorful boxes, because they had that yellow in them. And actually, it might be a little bit of a deeper yellow, but it went well to me in my mind, so I felt like they would go. And then I have these quote boxes. I really wanted to use them because this one says go with the flow, and I was like, yeah, that kind of be cool, like with the ocean type vibes and stuff. But I for some reason I couldn't make it fit in those areas. So then I pulled this sticker with the palm trees, trying to see if I can do some layering with it. And I'm just gonna try to see if I could work it in there a little bit. I wanted to do some layering, and I did cut it to see if I could bring a pop to the spread. I mean, the colors are doing it for me with the black. I mean, I'm loving that, but I don't know, for some reason I wanted some quotes. Now I did move that colorful box up because I felt like the lines, I wanted it to kind of go with the line. And I do have an appointment on Tuesday before we leave out of town, so I thought that I could use that appointment sticker there. And then I have this like these little hexagons, and I did like a little layering effect here, so I could, write a list down below of just things I need to do. When you're traveling, you guys, and I know I'm taking extra precaution because of everything that's going on, but I wanted to make sure I was like dotting my I's and crossing my T's. I do know that I want to give myself enough space because I want to take my planner with me. I plan to take my planner with me so I can, write down whatever. Honestly, we already have like an itinerary, but me and my husband, we're going down a couple of days early ahead of the group, so we don't really have a plan for that day. We just kind of wanted to go ahead and get down there and just kind of enjoy some time that we haven't been able to do lately, just alone. So we thought that was a good idea. So whatever I write in these boxes, it probably will be my itinerary in a sense. And then if we do something extra, I just wanted to kind of make this be kind of like a memory spread, even though I am bringing my journal too, you guys. So it's just, I don't know. We'll see how I use it. But yeah, I find these palm trees, y'all, and I was so excited when I found these in that Color Story 3 book. I was like, yes, I knew I had some palm trees, and I didn't want to just use the palm leaves. I don't know, I almost went with green, but I knew those florals, I just felt like that green and yellow, I wasn't feeling that color scheme. So, but I felt like this very ocean blue color went well with it. And I do decide to make these flowers like stand behind the boxes, so I love my little slice tool for that, you guys. Love that thing. It cuts the stickers. It gives me the perfect sticker surgery cutting that I need. Also, I go in and you guys see me pulling and lifting stickers up all the time, which is why I love my wax paper, and I will tend to leave stickers on the wax paper even though I know kind of where I want to put it. If I pull it later, if I haven't pulled it, when I do my pull and I pull it later, I'll try to leave it on the wax paper for a good bit so I can easily do this. But I like to do that because I be in the flow, y'all. I literally be in the flow, and I love that the wax paper gives me that option to be able to do that without ripping up my entire spread. So here I'm just readjusting this little palm tree because I thought maybe I could use two on Sunday. Sunday will be like one of the days where we will be like kind of out and about, like really exploring Miami and stuff. So I wanted to kind of see if I could add a little something to that, but I don't know, it's not working for me. So I decided to kind of put it back, and it's okay because I might need to save these palm trees because I believe these are the only ones I have in my collection, and I love them, and I love that they're actually in black and white. I don't know, that gives me so many more options to explore with them. So I have this quote sticker, and I couldn't use those, quote boxes. So I pulled that one to see what I could do with it. And then, you guys, I remembered in the Rainbow Mega Book, here it is actually, I remember that there is this little yellow scooter. And I'm like, yes. I don't know if the yellow matches, but I'm finna go find that sticker. So I pulled the sticker out, and I think, okay, me and my husband, we wanted to get when we get there, to possibly get some scooters, and he has been talking about that. So that was kind of like in the back of my mind, and I remembered that little scooter. So that's what I did here. I put it on my wax paper so it can kind of chill for a little bit until I get ready to put it down on this page somewhere. So I go in with my bullet points because got to keep the spread functional, especially for Monday and Tuesday. Our flight is on Wednesday, so the Monday and Tuesday are going to be like prep days. I'm planning to, try to be completely packed by Monday, but sometimes life happens. So I want to give myself room if there's some extra running around that I need to do, some things I need to go pick up, last minute stuff that I might be forgot. I don't know. I just wanted to give myself room to check. And then we do have some final business things that you know I gotta take care of, which will mainly be in my business planner, but just in case I need to write it here, this is my kit, y'all. It helps me in life. Okay, so now I'm adding my bullet points strategically, you guys, because I thought this time, instead of doing, the reverse colors on each individual day, like yellow, blue, I thought doing the blue in the middle, because I have that blank space, and I don't know, I just went with something different. So I did the reverse on the opposite page. As you guys can see, and I'm loving adding these bullet points. It just brings the spread together. I don't know, it's adding that extra little pop of color that I need. It's not too much black as well, so it does feel like the spread has color for me, and the bullet points just gave me, a little bit of extra life. And I turned them in a diamond shape instead of square, so that way it adds to like the abstract vibe that I was going for, artsy. And yeah, I'm liking it. I do want to probably move that one up on Sunday though. It's a little bit spaced out, so gonna move it up. And I'm feeling the spread so far, y'all. I think it's looking more like what I was going for with the arts, and of course the florals are giving me that one element, and then the palm trees are giving me Miami. So I'm liking it. Okay, so I decided to go ahead because I don't like how those bullet points are stacked on top of one another, and so you guys know I move it around. And Saturday is my niece's actual birthday, so we do have like a birthday dinner scheduled for her, and we will be doing like a yacht party with her on Saturday. So Saturday is kind of like a full day, so I don't really need a ton of room to write 100%, but I did want to, make sure I had a few spots. Also, I thought this little scooter would be cute right here for some reason, because you guys, that middle of the page is kind of what I have to work with, and so I'm trying to see how it looks, and I think it's cute. I think it's gonna vibe right there. So let me just see. I also pulled some Mombi stick numbers because she'll be turning 30, and I wanted to see if I could use those, but I really feel like that'll clutter the page, so I'm just going to go in with the celebrate sticker and a little cake in the color scheme, and I'm just gonna put that on Saturday since that's her actual birthday, and that may just be enough. I don't know, but I still kind of feel like it's missing something. And like that scooter looked good there, y'all. It looked really good there. So, and I have this quote. I'm still trying to make this quote thing work, y'all. And I have really kind of, in a way, gotten away from using quotes as much as I used to. I don't know, maybe it's just this week, but I feel like I want to use more quotes in my spreads. And so I'm trying to make this work for me, and I'm just flipping through. If you guys comment below if you're like me. Can we get some more color story sticker books? I love these sticker books because they just have everything there that you need, and you can just add supplement items, like functional items, to it. But they have like the little decor pieces, the quote stickers. They got functional stickers right there in the same color palette and theme, so it makes for quick, easy spreads, in my opinion. So if you don't have these, guys, hunt them down, because I believe there's 4 of them total. Okay, so I pull out the OG sticker book, and it's the 1, 2, 3 one. Is it though? No, that's 1, 2, 3 today. This is like the OG pink one for sure, and it has these washi strips in it. And you guys, I've been loving the polka dot washi, and I really want to get me some, but I find this in the sticker book, and I'm like, ooh, that could kind of be like a little runway road type thing for my little scooter. And I'm like, okay, I'm moving this cake, I'm moving the celebrate sticker, away, because I'm going to make me a little road down the middle of my spread. Now, and at this point, I'm like, yes, because I'm so glad that I laid the boxes out the way I did, so I was able to use this little washi strip to do this. So yeah, I like it. And then I'm gonna put my little scooter there on top, and it's like I'm headed down Ocean Drive, South Beach. Yes, that will be me. Okay, so I want to go in, and you guys know I like to kind of clean things up a little bit. So I'm going to clean this washi up around my little scooter, and I'm going to do a little bit of sticker surgery. You don't necessarily have to do this, I would say, but I just felt like it added to it for some reason. I don't know. It added to the visual effect for me. So I'm gonna pull this up, and you guys, as you guys can see, it pretty much cuts pretty clean. Like I did an okay job with cutting it out a little bit, and I used my X-Acto knife because it has a sharper point that I can just pull the sticker right up most of the time. I did have a little bit of trouble on the end, and I'm trying to make sure my tweezer doesn't rip the washi, and it kind of did at the end, but you can't really tell once I place it back down. So I go in with my little scooter. Now you guys, don't that look better? That looks so much better to me. This, just little bitty things like this, just, I don't know, it makes me happy when my little ideas come to life, even when I'm in the midst of planning. So I like my little road, and you guys, I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna add my celebrate sticker back, and I want to put my cake back because it's our birthday, and I'm just trying to see where I can like place it to where it makes sense. And I think over here in this corner is fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and white out this bottom of the circle, so the celebrate is, you can read it well, and I think it is gonna look good. I think it's gonna look good right there, and I can just even write in like, that is her birthday. So yeah, I'm loving how it's looking, y'all. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, so I'm trying to see. I do want to add a quote, I know, and I do go back into the little sticker book, because the OG sticker book, because they do have like some black and white quotes in it, and I'm trying to see if there's something that I could put in that could kind of say that Wednesday is like the start of the vacay. And I find this time to relax sticker, and I'm like, should I layer it over my little road? Because I feel like my road needs something. And I find these little quote strips, of course, in that color palette. But I don't know, I feel like that's team too much. That layering, it didn't look good to me, so I'm just gonna pull it up, and I'm gonna figure out something else. But I do like this time to relax, so, and that could kind of say, hey, the trip has started. So I put it on Wednesday at the bottom next to the circle, and I like how that looks. And now I'm just trying to see what else I can add, you guys, and then boom, it hits me. Okay, I find these yellow letters, these alpha stickers, and I spell out Miami. Yes, that is it, you guys. That is it. And I'm just going to adjust them to my liking. But that's it for my spread, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this plan with me. And I really appreciate you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram. And let me know how you feel about the spread. Are you ready for vacay? I would love to just hear your thoughts and, see what you're feeling. And thank you so much for being so sweet and so awesome. And until next time, love ya. Bye.